Ever notice tiny white bumps that just, even when you exfoliate? Chances are you're dealing with not acne. Milia are small, keratin-filled cysts that form when dead skin cells get trapped beneath the surface. They're firm, painless, and frustratingly stubborn. Popping them won't work and can actually make it worse. That's where come in. These vitamin A derivatives speed up cell turnover, helping your skin naturally those trapped cells. The right retinoid cream can new Milia and existing ones, without harsh scraping or expensive treatments. Here's how to use retinoid cream the smart way. Step 1. Start with a gentle cleanser. Milia-prone skin doesn't need scrubbing, just clean and calm. Step 2. Use just the amount of your retinoid cream. Dab it on the Milia-prone areas. Don't slather. Step 3. Go slow. Start with 2 to 3 nights a week. Let your skin adjust before using it nightly. Step 4. Retinoids make your skin more sensitive to UV rays, so protect it every morning. Avoid pairing retinoids with harsh scrubs or alcohol-based products. Overdoing it can lead to irritation. With consistent use, you'll start seeing smoother skin in a few weeks. But remember, patience is key. Treating Milia is a slow but steady process. Ready to get clear, bump-free skin? Try our dermatologist loved at admiremeskin.com. Clear skin starts tonight.